a journey of self-discovery that could change your life forever. Just 6 words hold the key to unlocking boundless potential, prosperity, and fulfillment. In this video, we're unveiling these 6 transformative words and diving deep into the captivating science that makes them so potent. By the time this revelation unfolds, you'll not only hold the key to a brighter future, but a richer present. So get ready, because your life is on the brink of an incredible transformation. Your go-to destination for extraordinary insights into personal growth and the untapped power of the human mind. Today, we're embarking on an exhilarating journey deep into the inner workings of your consciousness and how the words you choose can sculpt the life you've always dreamed of. But before we dive headfirst into this captivating exploration, if you're new here, please do us the honor of hitting that subscribe button and ringing the notification bell. That way, you'll be the first to experience the profound content we share regularly. Our journey into the realm of transformative words commences with a thorough exploration of their remarkable influence, encompassing both the negative and positive spectrums of linguistic expression. To begin, let's cast a brilliant spotlight on the deep and often overlooked impact of negative words, a subject of immense significance in our quest to grasp the extraordinary power of language. Consider this astonishing fact: the mere utterance or silent contemplation of negative words has the astonishing capacity to trigger the release of stress-inducing and anxiety-inducing hormones within your body. What may seem like a mere linguistic exercise is, in fact, grounded in a robust body of scientific research and empirical evidence. Recent studies, typified by the groundbreaking research led by luminaries such as Maria Richter and other prominent figures in the field of neuroscience, have uncovered the unsettling and irrefutable truth regarding the potent effects of negative words. These diligent researchers meticulously scrutinized the brain responses of subjects when exposed to auditory and visual negative words, unveiling a truly astonishing revelation. Negative words, regardless of whether they are deliberately articulated, passively heard, or subtly ensconced within the recesses of the human psyche, possess an innate propensity to amplify implicit processing within the vast domain of neuroscience. What does this profound revelation translate to in practical terms? Quite simply, it implies that even the seemingly innocuous habit of engaging in negative self-talk can initiate a complex and cascading chain reaction of stress and anxiety-induced hormonal responses within your body. This ongoing cycle ensnares countless individuals in a ceaseless state of mental and physical turmoil, effectively sabotaging their inherent potential for personal growth, fulfillment, and happiness. To underscore the gravity of these findings, consider a study published in PubMed, a distinguished repository for neuroscientific and biomedical research. This particular study unearthed a remarkable correlation, an association between elevated levels of anxiety in children and increased rates of negative self-talk. The implications of this revelation are profound and far-reaching. The words we consciously choose to internalize and the manner in which we converse with ourselves possess a staggering and often underestimated influence on our mental and emotional well-being. This influence extends its reach even to typically developing children, highlighting the enduring impact of our linguistic choices. In summation, these compelling scientific revelations underscore the paramount significance of our initial major insight. Whether negative words are openly articulated or silently etched into the intricate fabric of your subconscious during the formative years of childhood, they exert a commanding and formidable influence over both your brain and body. These seemingly innocuous words possess the astonishing and, at times, alarming capability to trigger the release of stress hormones, with their detrimental effects being irrefutably demonstrated to obstruct the realization of your deepest desires, dreams, and aspirations. Now that we've explored the shadows of negativity, it's time to bask in the radiant glow of positivity, the transformative potential of positive affirmations. In the pages of Words Can Change Your Brain by Dr. Andrew Newberg and Mark Robert Waldman, a revelation of immense significance emerges. A single word possesses the extraordinary ability to influence the expression of genes responsible for regulating physical and emotional stress. This means that language, far from being limited to its immediate impact on our thoughts and emotions, extends its profound influence to our physiological responses. Yet, what catapults our journey from the realm of the remarkable to the truly extraordinary is the discovery that 6 specific words have been scientifically proven to stimulate the brain in a manner that is both unique and transformative. Those 6 words are none other than, "I am so happy and grateful." When you integrate these 6 words into your daily vocabulary, you're essentially reprogramming your brain to perceive the world through the prism of boundless positivity and abundance. The ultimate goal is to ingrain this practice so deeply within your subconscious that it becomes an innate part of your cognitive architecture, effortlessly guiding you toward the realization of your most cherished dreams and aspirations. Now, here's the challenge, but more importantly, the invitation. Start incorporating these 6 powerful words into your daily life and prepare to witness the profound transformation that ensues. You can choose to employ these words verbatim, or you can personalize them to align with your unique goals and aspirations. For instance, you could declare, "I'm so happy and grateful now that I'm living my happiest life." We extend a heartfelt invitation for you to share your personalized affirmations in the comments below, or simply declare, "I'm so happy and grateful." This is a space where we cultivate a supportive and nurturing community, where positive energy and encouragement flow freely. Your journey toward a brighter, more fulfilled life commences right here and right now. As we draw this enlightening journey to a close, remember that the words you choose hold the unparalleled power to shape your world, your reality, and your future. Harness this power wisely and consciously. If you found this video to be a source of profound insight and inspiration, kindly extend your appreciation by clicking the thumbs up button and sharing it with individuals who stand to benefit from a potent dose of positivity. Moreover, don't forget to subscribe and activate the notification bell, ensuring you stay connected with us for the steady stream of life-altering content that awaits your exploration. Until we reunite for our next enlightening odyssey, remain steadfast in your pursuit of positivity, unwavering in your practice of gratitude, and ever watchful as the miracles unfold in your life, where the extraordinary is a part of everyday existence.